Myself S. Shruti from Biochemistry Department. Now we are going to see environmental studies. I am going to take a topic human-centric thinking and ecocentric thinking. Before going to human-centric thinking and ecocentric thinking, we can see what is environmental ethics. What is environmental ethics? Environmental ethics is also known as an earth ethics. It refers to the issues, principles, and the guidelines relating to the human interactions with their environment. Nature has given us with all the resources so as to lead a contented life. There are two views regarding environmental ethics. They are human-centric thinking or anthropogenic worldview or ecocentric thinking. Let's see what is human-centric thinking. Human-centric thinking is the idea that the earth and its resources exist for the human consumption. People who hold this view believe that we have to protect the earth for future generations. Man is the planet's most important species. All the resources of earth belongs to man only. Its potential for the economic growth is unlimited, and more growth for our economy raises the quality of our life. A healthy environment depends upon a healthy economy. The success of human beings depend upon benefits from nature. Let's see what is ecocentric thinking. Ecocentric thinking believes that everything has intrinsic values and emphasizes the interconnectedness of all life. Ecocentric means focused on the environment. Nature exists not only for the men but also for all the species living in this world. The scarce natural resources do not belong to human beings alone. A healthy economy depends upon a healthy environment. A sustainable environment or the development of economical growth is necessary. The success of human beings depends upon how we tap the natural resources in a controlled manner towards sustainable development. In this picture, we can see that the ecocentric means which is focused on the environment and it does not belong to man alone, it belongs to all the species which are living in this world. To ends to heal our future, we must heal our earth. Thank you.